The last two verses of Yugal Gita we have been discussing. Madhugranidalocan Shatamanada
समस्त मित्रों के साथ कृष्ण कैसे भाव आदि व्यक्त करते हैं.
Krishna is exchanging moods so beautifully with those who are witnessing the cow grazing.
अनंतर कृष्ण
Anantar Krishna.
समीपागत दिखा देख करके कोई एक गोपी संभ्रम कहते कहने लगे.
One gopi is saying, "Oh Sakhi,
देखो ईश्वर मदघूर्णित लोचन बदरपुर तुल्य पांडु बदन व विशिष्ट गजेंद्र मंथरगामी वनमाली प्रसन्न बदन এই যুক্তিকে
explaining the form of Krishna.
सुवर्ण ब्रजदेवीगण
The damsels of Braja,
भाव में विभोर
they are absorbed in their mood,
विवाहित होकर करते हैं. भाव में विवाहित होकर के
completely absorbed in their mood. They are saying,
ये सभी
Sakhi Madhata Gundita Lochan means
कृष्ण जब
when Krishna, after cow herding, he is coming,
ब्रज में जब लौट
when he is returning to Braj,
और कृष्ण
and
नयन कमल जो है
the beautiful eyes of Krishna,
मदघूर्णित माने
they are
थोड़ा परिश्रांत होने के नाते
a little bit restless,
मन
and
है और चित्त
the mind and the heart
कुछ
of
विघुर्णित हो रहे हैं.
क्या?
क्योंकि जब
क्या?
कोई परिश्रांत हो जाता है टायर्डनेस फटीगनेस का
Tiredness, fatigueness coming. When Krishna is fatigued, tired,
आंखों के द्वारा ही
through the eyes,
प्रतिभात पता चलता है.
they can know.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
Like you can see in someone's eyes and you can know that someone is tired or not. So the gopis,
लौटे
they're saying that Krishna is coming back in Braj for this regard.
वह वनमाली कृष्ण
Krishna who is wearing a beautiful garland,
उनकी भी आंख कैसे होती है
his eyes are
विघुर्णित हो रहा है.
looking more and more tired.
परिश्रांत हो
Like if someone is tired,
तो उसके
they're
आंख
fatigued,
कैसे होती
then their face and eyes,
है? कैसे होता है बताओ.
how
थके हुए
it looks like very tired. Like what you can see by their facial expression and the eyes that they're very tired.
तो उसी प्रकार है.
In the same way,
और कृष्ण मानव सुविधानाम वनमाली और कृष्ण आकर के
so Krishna
जनों के जो है
came and he is offering respect to all the seniors
प्रदान कर रहे हैं. मानव
of Raja. He's giving him respect. He's giving all of them respect.
कृष्ण
So Krishna,
अत्यंत धीर से स्थिर होकर के
very humbly and very nicely, he is giving respect to everyone
बदर पांडु बदर
and not expecting any respect in return.
बदर फल के भांति उनकी मुख कमल कैसे हुए
And his
पांडु वर्ण हुए.
face is like Panduvarna.
अर्थात बदर फल तुल्य पांडु बदन स्वभाव विशिष्ट बदर फल जानते हैं. अरे बेर के फल भी बदर फल
Like Indian berry, is like a greenish colored bear.
और
Indian berry, bear, Indian berry, the green color.
उनके वर्ण जो है थोड़ा
So that color. So when it's ripe, it's little bit yellowish golden. First it's green in color.
चिड़ हो जाता है.
When it's matured, then It's yellowish golden.
बेर देखा कि नहीं?
Have you seen bear? It's like Indian berry.
बेर
Bear. Like
जहाँ पर जिस पेड़ के नीचे बैठ करके श्रील व्यासदेव
so
गोस्वामी
under that very tree, Srila Vasudev Goswami Pad sat under that tree and he wrote Bhagavatam. It's one kind of Indian berry.
क्या समझाना पड़ेगा?
Indian berry.
जैसे वृंदावन
Like in Vrindavan Dham Parikrama, while doing that,
जब हम महाप्रभु की
when we cross the Mahaprabhu's Baitak, when we walk further,
व्यासदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Vasudev Goswami Pad,
रचना
he wrote Bhagavad there.
पेड़ के जो है जंगल था
There was a forest of bear, mean Indian jujube,
पेड़ होता है एक प्रकार
and then it's like a kind of fruit. Indian jujube.
तो उनका पहली जब होता है छोटे छोटे
First, it's small in size, green in color.
पहले ग्रीन कलर होता है
First, it's green in color. When it's mature,
तब उसके रंग कैसे होता
then what's the color of it?
है येलो कलर
Little bit yellowish.
वो पांडु वर्ण माने येलो कलर
Pandu means yellow color.
पांडु वर्ण
The Pandu color.
ये पर गया प्रदर्पण कुल पांडु वर्ण वदन
Pandu Varna Vadan. So Krishna's
गजेंद्र मंथरगामी जैसे हाथी जैसे
like an elephant slowly is walking. Like an elephant is walking slowly. Exactly in the same way.
अत्यंत धीर मंथर गति
So Krishna with very slow speed he is walking because he's tired. If someone is tired, then
और फटिंग
and fatigueness is there, that time
चलना कैसे होता है धीरे धीरे
how do they walk? They are walking very very slowly.
उसी प्रकार
Exactly in the same way. So like elephant, Krishna is walking very very slowly,
वनमाल
wearing beautiful garland.
अत्यंत
So Krishna himself
मुस्कान करते
with
हुए
his smiling face,
किस प्रकार
how
जनों की प्रति
he is
सम्मान
offering respect to all the seniors and gurus in the Vraj.
श्री कृष्ण
So Krishna
कानों में जो
in his ears he is wearing beautiful earrings.
सामान
They are feeling fortunate.
और
And
कृष्ण के गंड देश में
in the neck of Krishna
कुंडल आदि जो है
all the jewelries that he is wearing. On the cheeks he is also wearing some jewelry.
गाल में क्या है गाल में ये जो कुंडल लगा
All the earrings he is wearing earrings, and the earrings are touching the cheeks also. So this is called
गंड देश
Gandadesh, means the cheeks. So the earrings are touching the cheeks of Krishna.
on the cheek. So Krishna's very nice, beautiful
Earrings.
here.
Earrings.
कुंडल
Kundal.
और कुंडल अब उनकी वदन पर
Touching the cheeks of Krishna, when it is touching that,
तो गोपियों की
then in the heart of the gopis, many types of pastimes are stimulated in their hearts. They remember many pastimes when they see this very thing. So in the same way, the gopis are saying when Krishna
गोचारण करके जब
is, when he is returning after cow herding, that time
और कृष्ण कैसे थके हुए
Krishna is tired, fatigued.
किंतु ऐसे
But
परिश्रांत होते हुए पर
even then,
अपने गुरुजनों के प्रति
he is
इस प्रकार
very nicely offering respect to all the seniors and gurus in the branch.
वास्तव में लिखा है
In scriptures it is said, when you return,
आकर के गुरुजनों
you should offer respect to gurus and seniors.
से महाप्रभु
Like Mahaprabhu, every day when he went
नित्यानंद प्रभु और भक्तों के लेकर के
with Nityanand Prabhu and devotees, he went to Nagar Sankirtan.
फिर जब आते हैं
When he came back, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
शची माता है अथवा
Sachi Mata and the mother of Nityananda, Padmavati. He is offering respect to them, touching the. What is meaning respect? Giving respect means touching the feet of the mothers. So that time, Sachi Mata and Padmavati Devi, very nice, beautifully, they are expressing the parental love and affection, embracing them like this beautiful coming. After Nagar Sankirtan, Gaura Sundar has come back home. Gaura and Nityanand has come back home. Sachi Mata, it's written there, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityanand touching the feet of Padmavati and Sachi Mata. After Nagar Sankirtan, Gaura has come back, and when he came back, he's coming with Nityananda. He gave mercy to all the sinners. Very nice, beautiful kirtan. Sing it. Sing it, sing. Mother Sachi takes Gaura on her lap. Mother Padmavati takes Nitai upon her lap.
Udariya Gaura elo gare, Pita bi udariya Nitya elo gare, Pita bi udariya Gaura elo gare. Nama prema bilaiya Gaura elo gare, Nama prema bilaiya Gaura elo gare, Nama prema bilaiya Gaura elo gare, Nama prema bilaiya Nitya elo gare. After roaming throughout the towns and villages, my Gaura has come back home. Gaura has come back home, and my Nitai has come back home. After delivering the sinful and suffering, Gaura has come home. After delivering the sinful and suffering, Nitai has come home. After distributing Nam Prem, Gaura has come home. After distributing Nam Prem, Nitai has come home. Brushing off the dust from his body, Mother Sachi takes Gaura upon her lap. Brushing off the dust from his body, Mother Padmavati takes Nitai upon her lap.
Yes. So exactly in the same way, here what I was explaining, the moods are being expressed. Now where are the gopis now? Gopis are in their houses. They are with their sakhis, and with their transcendental eyes they are taking darshan of all these things. gopis, they did not step out of their houses because the elders in their family, the mother, father, father-in-law, mother-in-law, they have
गोपियों की घर से बाहर नहीं जाना।
forbidden the gopis to step out of house. But the gopis, with their transcendental eyes, they are taking darshan of all these pastimes.
क्योंकि भावी प्रधान है,
This is like
भजन करते हैं, किंतु भजन
with their mood they are taking darshan, because mood is very important. Doing bhajan, but if mood is not there in the bhajan, then bhajan is not bhajan. So mood is very important.
सिद्धा भक्ति,
First is Arup Siddha Bhakti,
उसके बाद संग सिद्धा,
and Sangha Siddha, then Sarup Siddha.
अर्थात गोपियां
Gopis
में रह करके
in their house
अपने अपने युद्धों के साथ
with their
राजा की
messengers,
गिरिजा जी के
the Sakhis, Lalita Vishaka,
उसी प्रकार गोपियां अपने अपने
gopis
और अपने
in their groups, gopis in their groups and with their Sakhis, they are expressing the moods and discussing about the beautiful behavior of Krishna, beautiful form of Krishna.
ये गोपियों की भाव
And this is the mood of the gopis coming here, very nice, beautiful. The last verses.
मुदित भक्तों को जाति दुरंतम वचनम ब्रज गवाम दीनतापम। इसी प्रकार कृष्ण
Like this Krishna,
गोचारण के पश्चात
after cow herding,
गृह में डूब करके
when he comes back to his house
प्रकार
and he is offering respect to all the elders
और गुरुजनों के
and all the
समाप्ति
seniors.
पश्चात
And after that,
कृष्ण
Krishna,
युद्ध आदि करने पे कृष्ण
and then Krishna,
अपने अपने और सखा के साथ अपने अपने गृह में प्रत्यावर्तन करने लगे।
so Krishna and all the friends were going back to the houses. So friends were going to their house, Krishna was going to his house. So where is Krishna going? He came from Braj, he did cow herding, all the Brajvasis give him blessings, love and affection, and Krishna touched the feet of all the elders and seniors, offering them respects. Like Upananda, Krishna touched their feet of all the Gurujans, and the Gurujans, all they blessed to Krishna.
क्या आशीर्वाद है?
What blessing did they give?
कृष्ण के क्या आशीर्वाद है?
What blessing are they giving to Krishna?
क्या?
Okay, long life.
क्या बोले?
Ayushman Bhava.
हैं? ऐसा आशीर्वाद है।
May you have a long life.
You long life.
May you have a long life.
हैं? अधिक जीव बेटा जीवित रहो।
May you live for many years.
हैं? ये कहते हैं,
For this regard, Ayushman Bhava.
इसी प्रकार
Like this,
कृष्ण
Krishna,
अपने गुरुजनों की आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करके
after receiving the blessings from all the elders and the seniors, Krishna became very happy.
गुरुजन जब आशीर्वाद देते हैं
When the seniors, elders, they are giving the blessings, then that time Krishna is becoming happy. That's why it is coming like this.
जदुपति जरा राज बिहारो जामिनी उदिरसी दिनांते मुदितम भक्तों भुजाति दुरंतम मोचन गजा गज कवाम दिनतापम।
बैठ जाना यार, इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Put the wire.
और उस समस्त बछड़े आदि गाय आदि
And all the cows and the calves,
और कितने सुंदर जो है
very nicely,
कृष्ण के सदा सर्वदा
They are-
निरीक्षण करते रहते हैं।
always looking at Krishna, always looking towards Krishna. And
कृष्ण
just like this,
अपने
Krishna,
बदन कमलों के द्वारा सदियों के लिए संताप
he is
कष्ट दुख दूर अधिकार
taking away the problems and troubles of everyone. Meaning, when the Brajavasis,
कृष्ण के बदन कमल देख करके
after seeing Krishna,
अपने सारे संताप
they forget all their troubles when they see Krishna.
और फिर
And
आगे
then
हम ब्रजगोपीगण क्या करती हैं
the Braj Gopis,
ना कब चंद्रमा उदित होगा
they are waiting when will the moon
कृष्ण के
rise
साथ
and when will
मिलेंगे
we meet Krishna.
क्योंकि कृष्ण
Because
गोपियों के साथ रात्रि का जो विहार आदि करते
when Krishna is performing divine pastimes with the gopis during the night,
हैं,
that
गोपियाँ
time,
उसी प्रकार जो है चिंतन आदि
so
करते हैं।
gopis are thinking about like this, thinking like this, that when
कब हम के साथ
will
विहार
Krishna
आदि- जिस प्रकार
perform divine amrit pastimes with us, just as like
दिन
moon,
में चंद्रमा क्या करते हैं?
in the daytime the moon is
हैं? छुप जाते हैं, दिखाई नहीं
hiding, you cannot see it.
देते। एक छुप करके चंद्रमा मानो प्रतीक्षा करने लगे,
The
कब
moon
शाम
is
हो
like
जाए,
waiting, when will the night come
और मैं
and when will I rise
सबके जो है
and I will
आनंदवर्धन को-
give bliss to everyone.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
Exactly in the same way,
गोपियाँ ये चिंतन कर रही
the gopis are thinking
हैं। ये कृष्णा जदुपति कृष्णा
that Yadupati Krishna,
कब
when will
चंद्रमा के भांति उदित होकर के
he rise like a
हम
moon
सारे
and
संताप
he
को
will
कब
take our troubles away?
गोपियों के दुख क्या है
What is the
कष्ट क्या है
pain, trouble of the gopis? What is the problem of the
भगवान
gopis?
कृष्ण के साथ
That in the daytime they are not able to meet Krishna.
इसलिए रात्रि भाग
So
में
for this regard they are waiting for the night to come.
मिलने के लिए उत्कंठित
They are so much curious, enthusiastic, waiting to meet with Krishna. Example is coming just as like in the daytime the moon
छुप जाते हैं
is hiding. You cannot see the moon in the daytime.
दिखाई पड़ता है
Can you see?
दिखाई नहीं देता।
No.
और जब शाम हो
And
जाते हैं
during the
चंद्रमा
night time
पूर्व दिशा पर उदित हो जाता है।
you can see the moon
तात्पर्य क्या है?
from the east.
ये गोपियाँ
What's the east? The gopis
जो सारे दिन भर
all day they are
भाग कृष्ण के
gopis. They are
विरहजनित जो
waiting all
संताप
day.
कष्ट आदि
They are feeling pain from separation of Krishna.
भोग कर उपभोग के कष्ट आदि
And they are feeling the separation
अभी
from
शाम
Krishna.
होने के साथ ही साथ
And when the evening is coming,
हृदय कमल
the heart of the gopis becomes overjoyed.
जिस प्रकार
That time, just like
रात्रि काल की जो कमल के कार्य
the nighttime lotus called Kumudidi. It's
रात्रि काल में कुमुदिनी
that lotus only blooms during the nighttime. It opens up during the nighttime.
सबके
That
आनंद
and gives bliss to everyone.
उसी प्रकार गोपियाँ
Exactly in the same way, the gopis are
कि हम
thinking,
लोग दिन में तो कृष्ण के साथ मिल नहीं
oh,
पा रहे
alas, we were not able to meet Krishna during the daytime.
रात्रि जब हो जाए कृष्ण के साथ हम लोग
When the night will come, then we will meet with
अर्थात
Krishna.
सारा दिन
So all day they are waiting for the night.
कृष्ण के चिंतन आदि कर
Always, and during the daytime, they're always thinking about Krishna.
और शाम जब हो गई
And when
तब
evening is coming, that time the gopis become very overjoyed, happy,
दर्शन लालसा
and with so much
गोविंद
greed,
दर्शन के लिए
they are
कंठा आदि
having so much utkanta for taking darshan of Govinda.
और वृंदावन गया
Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
है। अभी टाइम हो गया
The time is up. Everybody take prasad.
10 बज गया ना, 10-15 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे
will take prasad, then have to do fire sacrifice. Has everything been prepared for the fire sacrifice? Nothing happened.
Today, no house program, only yagya. Daytime only yagya, no other program.
Today no house